So the ETL is a really important third-party list for us. It helps our customers understand that it's not just us saying we're really good, but actually a third-party organisation is also saying we're really good as well. And because we're really proud of the technology that we put into our products, we want other people to be able to say they're really good and really support us. So you guys are really good at helping procurement people and people who are buying purchases to get a third-party input that confirms what we're saying is real. It's a really important show for us at Ideal. All our customers are installers, and letting them know our new products and letting them know what we're doing, as well as our future products that are coming up, is really important. But also just to say hi to our customers who've been consistently with us over the years. So yeah, it's a really good place to meet people, but also show off what we're doing.
Just interaction. Wastewater heat recovery is a technology that should be more widely known than it is, yet we find that the installers, there isn't the knowledge there. It's not widespread knowledge as of yet. Awareness definitely needs to be raised about it. We find that in the new build sector, it's certainly there, but certainly not as a retrofit and a bathroom upgrade service as of yet. Sort of networking with other manufacturers and people of interest has been great. And yeah, hopefully I'll take that through into tomorrow as well.
Meet a lot of interesting people, you see a lot of interesting things, and you have some great conversations. You get some good insight from people that sometimes you don't get over email and in meetings and a bit more formal. So to speak to people in a bit more of an informal setting, it's always good. There's been massive interest in the heat pump range and the electric cylinders range. It's definitely a push for renewables at the minute, and you can certainly see that reflected in the questions we've been asked.
It's one of our key events for the year. Historically, we've showed here for our residential products, and it's a really important opportunity for us to engage with our installers, who are our key customers, or one of them. This year it's really exciting because it's the first time we've exhibited commercial products as well. So again, a great opportunity to engage with commercial installers, but also other people within the industry, so other manufacturers, but trade associations and other stakeholders as well. So yeah, great opportunity to speak to people. So it's actually my first day here today, so I'm only a few hours in, but I've been really interested to hear the amount of people keen to talk to us about heat pumps. So obviously the boiler part of our stand is always very busy. Baxi is known for boilers, but people are keen to hear about new technology and understand where it might be used. So not just heat pumps, but electric boilers when we look at the electrification of heat. So yeah, some good conversations about new technology and how it could be applied in the UK.
So we have currently 3 products on the ETL. Easy Fit that we've got here behind here, and the vertical Pipe Hex and Pipe Hex RD. That's currently, within the next few months, I'm hoping to get a lot more of our products on that list. It's no greenwashing, it's a verified scheme. Yeah, very important to them. They know that these products have been tested, they know they've been tested rigorously to certain standards, they know they're not going to fail, and they know that they're backed by the ETL.
So the reason we had them listed was, well, of course, ETL is a great body. It definitely gives people some good confidence in the product, and it's a great platform to have them listed on. People very much appreciate it. I think it gives them a bit more confidence in the appliances and the manufacturer, that you are very happy to go through the procedures of verification through independent bodies. The ETL team were great to work with. It was a very smooth, efficient process. It's great to have them listed. There's no downsides to it, really.
I think when people are looking for new technology, I think they're looking for security and assurance that these products will work and operate as they're expected to. So for us, getting products independently verified and visible in the market is really important. So we always put our products through rigorous testing and look for local certification and anything else that can help in terms of giving customers peace of mind and confidence that our products will work well. Because it's not a manufacturer's push. So I think, like, if we talk about heat pumps, it's very hard to draw a comparison across different manufacturers if you're looking at their websites. So people might quote COPs or SCOPs at different temperatures or different output temperatures. So it's hard as a consumer or an end user to actually gauge product performance. So I think having a single data source or something that puts products on an even keel gives that clarity and maybe takes a bit of bias out of it. So yeah, I think it is important.